Hey friends, if you wish to fix the task host window preventing shutdown, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the process. The first one is to disable fast startup, and how do we do that? So press the Windows key and the R key together to open the run window. Type the command power cfg.cpl and hit enter. Go to choose what the power buttons do, change settings that are currently unavailable, and I don't have this option, but you would have this option to turn on fast startup. Just uncheck it, okay, and then click on save changes. The next option will be to run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. Why? Because the Windows Update Troubleshooter manages the services associated with Windows updates. So right click on the start button, select settings from the menu, go to the system tab on the list on the left hand side and select troubleshoot in the right pane. Select other troubleshooters and click on run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. And the last one is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.